Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Paige, and I just realized I never did the intro for this video. I am home now, but this is my moving vlog video. I'm going to link down below part 1, and I'm also going to link down below my moving vlog from last year. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe if you guys haven't already. But yeah, let's just get right into the video. My dad just got here, and he brought me 2 suitcases. I already filled this one up. My dad is going to get a dolly right now, and I'm filling up these suitcases clothing items. I think he's gonna take my clothing rack apart, and yeah, very stressful, but it's gonna be okay. It's hard to pull.
I look like shit. Sweating like crazy. Things you do for your daughters.
So it's all empty. Oh my gosh. This is so weird. We just have to take my clothing rack. It's all empty. This is all my stuff, you know, just that's my dad. He's leaving us. We got everything inside of the apartment, so it looks like a mess, but it's okay. All my lipsticks fell and we're rolling down the street. I changed in the shirt I wore yesterday because I was sweating. Today is the second day of my new apartment. I'm trying to still get it situated. I'm in Christina's room because the natural lighting is so nice in here, and my dad is sleeping in my room. But I will show you guys how far we got yesterday and today. So Michael's going to come over too and help me out. So yeah, I'm just trying to get this place together because it's a mess. This is what it looks like so far. I ordered these books off of Amazon to display. They're super cute. And then my dad put all my stuff in here, and then yeah, these are full over here. They don't really do much over here, but we have the printer, and Christina and I decided that we're gonna put our camera equipment in here. So I have some of my stuff over there, and then in the bathroom I did a lot. I put my stuff on this side, and then Christina, I like left this for her. Same with under here, the storage, I just put my stuff on that side. I think I'm going to put my hair stuff in this drawer. And then, oh, I got these foaming mats. They're so nice, these bath mats from Amazon. I actually got 2, but they're the same size, and it was too big to put in front of the sink. I'm doing laundry right now, this is seriously so nice. I literally cannot believe I have laundry in my apartment. This is literally a miracle. But I just put my laundry stuff up there, and then I have another one of those if Christina wants to use it, so they can like sit next to each other and look cute. And then we did a lot in my bedroom so far. We put my desk over here. I actually decided to get rid of the glass. I like it matte better. I put my mirror right here. Is it gonna focus? Yeah, I put my mirror right here, and it's so nice because the lights in my room dim. How nice is that? Look who came to help me!
With 3 million boxes.
Oh yes.
Where do we begin?
Michael is being such a great help. But look how much I got done.
I did all of that.
Oh, you're such a liar. I put all my food in here. All my silverware is in here. Toaster, Keurig. Oh, Michael did this. I will give him this. He did the IKEA sign.
I am the decorator. So
He did it.
One that says gelati. Don't eat me for that one. Cafe.
And then I just put a bunch of stuff under here. Yeah. I'm gonna have my pictures up here. You know the pictures I have.
Yeah.
So maybe we should do it right here. These.
Okay.
Okay, or
Like above the nightstand?
yeah.
Yeah.
Do it here maybe. But
Oh, like above your
yeah.
desk, because this is where you're gonna put your bags. Like up on the shelf, right?
Yeah, but also I'm gonna get one of those big, you know, those big mirrors with the like lights.
Mm-hmm.
So I don't want it to be too much.
Let me see. Either here. Wait, hold on. It's not focused. Okay, we're back. We're back to business.
Okay. Okay, here.
Wait. Do you want to have anything over here?
Yeah, maybe we could do it there. Alright, my pictures are gonna be on that side.
Oh, so you're gonna have this bare wall.
I'm gonna do
Top, bottom.
Two.
Yeah.
So that's the way. It's that one.
Thanks, Michael.
I'm the best.
So Michael just left and my dad and I are going to a premiere. So he's gonna put up the shelves tomorrow. I'm gonna show you guys my outfit. I wore this on my birthday in Paris too. You guys have seen already. My AC is so loud. This top is from Revolve. And then I'm wearing my IMG pants. And then maybe just like black shoes. I don't know. Maybe. We'll see. So today is the next day and my dad actually just left. So it's just me right now. So he put up floating shelves for me. And it was a bit of a process because he put them up wrong, both shelves up wrong, and then he had to redo them. And then I just cleaned up my room a little bit, put up my 2 pictures, but I couldn't. I had 3, but I only can put 2 up because my bed is against the wall now, so it kind of looks weird. So I'm going to put my Breathe picture in the living room, but I will show you how far we got. So I'm going to put my purses and also shoes up there. I don't have all my purses here right now though, so that's what I have right now. Also, I put up my sign right here. So let me turn it on. Yeah, I think that's cute right there because I could put my Breathe picture right here, but I like that whenever this is open, you can still see it. Oh, also, I'll show you guys right here. So where is that light switch, guys? There are so many light switches. I like don't know which one is which. So we got 2 white couches and one is supposed to come tomorrow, so I'll show you guys. So I don't know, I have to ask Christina. I feel like they would look good if we put one right here and then another one on this side. This is my coffee table from last year. I got it off of Amazon. And then I have a bunch of Harper's Bazaar magazines. And then I have these 2 paintings. This is my Breathe one. I think we could put it like right here in the center or something. That would look cute. We're going to put my clothing rack right here, I think, because it doesn't fit in my room and like I don't really need it in my room because I didn't have a closet last year and now I do. So I think we're gonna put it right here. I feel like it would look cute here and then we'll just share it and display like cute pieces. So this is what I think I need to do right now. This whole suitcase is full of clothing items and I think I just need to hang everything. Like once I like get this all organized in my room, I'll feel better about myself and then I'll be able to do the rest. But this is like the main thing. So I'm going to do this all right now. I just finished organizing my closet, which I'm about to show you guys, but literally my dad is coming back right now because he did not get on the flight because all the flights to Pittsburgh right now are getting canceled for some reason. I don't know if I've ever talked about this, but my dad's girlfriend works for the airline, so we always fly like, we can fly standby for really, really cheap. So we always go standby and that's why I'm able to like fly so much between like New York and Pittsburgh because it's usually really expensive. He's not gonna get a guaranteed flight tomorrow or today, so he's literally going to do the mega bus overnight and it sucks. It's literally like 8 hours. I feel so bad. But anyways, I'm gonna show you guys my closet. He's on his way back now and the mega bus is at 11 p.m. and he doesn't get back to Pittsburgh until 7 a.m. and he works tomorrow. I feel so bad. But anyways, I'm gonna show you. Also, I'm wearing the Ardell magnetic eyelashes and I really like them. They're just so easy. I just finished it all up. So I put all my clothing items inside. I have all my jackets, hoodies, long sleeve shirts, short sleeved tank tops, skirts, and then I have dresses, and then this thing I wore to Coachella, and extra hangers. So I'm starting to put my shoes down there, but I have to put the stuff away. So this is like pants and PJs and stuff, and I have these like rolling things, as you guys can see right here. I'm just putting all of these items in there, so I'm gonna do that right now. just put my shoes here, and I'm definitely gonna have to get a shoe rack because I still have some more shoes over here, and then I have shoes up there, but I don't know if they're going to stay up there. And then I also have shoes at home, but I'm just going to like store these away or put them like maybe under my bed or something until then. Just keeping you guys updated. This is the real reason why Michael comes over.
I look homeless right now. This is not the time. Oh my gosh. This
is what happens whenever you get laundry in your apartment. All your friends use you for your laundry.
See, like I have it in my building, but it's like not in the apartment.
It's not free.
It's downstairs.
This
and
is
it's not
free. Well, it's basically free because we don't pay. We just pay for electricity. Hey guys, so today is my last day in New York. I am going back home for about 2 weeks, and then I'm coming back August 21st. And I start school the 27th, and Billy, my boyfriend, is actually coming up with me. So the couch came this morning and I put it together. It was the struggle. I just put up the couch. I think this is a little uneven, but how freaking cute, guys. I got it off of Amazon and it doubles as a futon. So this is how it looks this way. I'm gonna do it the other way too to see what it looks like that way as well. So I'm gonna show you guys. This is the couch this way. I honestly like it both ways. I don't know what to do. And then the clothing rack's right there. I don't know what to do with the lamp yet. We want to get a different lampshade because this one's not the cutest. So we're getting 2 couches. So I bought this one, and then Christina bought the same exact one. So it's just not here yet. Oh my gosh, there's such a mess. All of these little beads were in that, like the packaging for the legs. So they're all over my apartment, but yeah, this is so cute. I need to order some things, and Christina is ordering some things too. So you guys will see kind of like a before and after, because I'm going to do an apartment tour whenever we're all done. So I'm going to give you guys a little tour right now of everything so far. I'm going to start in Christina's room because it's empty and I'm already in here. This is her room right here. So yes. Her room has the best natural lighting, and that's why I keep filming in here in the morning. But this is her closet. It's empty because she didn't move in yet. So then we have laundry in this closet, which is so amazing. So I actually just did a load, and on top I have a bin of all my laundry stuff, and then I left a bin for Christina. So then over here, so this is my room. I have a big closet for New York, which I am so excited about because in my last apartment, I was using the living room closets, and it's just so nice to have a closet in your room. So whenever I shut my door, you can see this section of my room. There is a little sign I put right there. I got that from eBay. You guys can see a little overview. So I have my nightstand, and then my bed, obviously. Oh my gosh, I didn't realize these are not straight. I need to move these over. I'll do that when I come back up. Then, you know, rug. I got this last year and I'm still using it. And then over here we have my desk. My mirror is right here. And my dad put up these shelves for me. And then I have this window right here, which is just holding things right now that I don't have a spot for yet. So I think I'm going to buy, I don't know if I should buy a little cube organizer. I'll insert a picture right here of what I'm talking about. Or if I should buy a cute little bench for this area. I have no idea yet. I also want to get like an IKEA, it's called like the lack shelf, and put it right here or right here. So I don't know what I want to do yet with this area. That's my room so far. And then let's go out to the hallway. I think I showed you guys most of the bathroom. Yeah, there's nothing really crazy about it, but Christina's going to buy a soap dispenser and stuff and put it in here. The living room, it is huge. Christina and I decided to put our camera equipment in here, but the printer's in here right now. So that's my camera stuff right there, and then I have some stuff up there, and then I have this lamp, clothing rack, I have suitcases because I'm about to leave, and then this is the kitchen so far. So I just wanted to show you guys everything really quick before I left because it's going to look so different in a couple of weeks. I got some more things for my room that just came in the mail from Amazon, so I'm going to open them right here for you guys. What did I get, girl? Oh, okay. I got another blanket. So I don't know if you guys know this, but I have this blanket under, which is a fleece blanket, and I'm telling you right now, it will change your life. Sleep on top of it. It feels like you're sleeping on an actual cloud. So I got a new one just because that one is older. Sometimes I fake tan, so it's a little stained. It is literally the softest thing ever. It's only like $20 off of Amazon. It will change your life. So I also bought this organizer for my makeup. I bought one of these before and it was too thin. My makeup, like blushes and bronzers, didn't even fit in it. There she is. I'm about to put this together because these are stackable, so I might have to buy another one. We're about to find out though. Put all my shoes on my shoe rack, and I think I need to buy another one of these. I believe this is the 24-inch one. They had a 31-inch one, but I needed room. It was like just going to touch here. I need room because my hamper has wheels, so I like to, like, you know, take it out like that. But yeah, that is my closet so far. I think I'm just going to buy another one of these. That was all it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think I should put in front of my wall, and subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.